Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about the human body. My dear students, what all can you see on the screen? Yes, it's a computer. It's an electronic machine which consists of monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Like computer, the human body is also a machine which is made up of various cells. These cells join together to form tissues. Further, these tissues join together to form different organs such as lungs, heart, stomach, intestines and so on. These organs again join together to form organ systems. Organ system includes different body parts such as circulatory system, respiratory system and digestive system. Without these internal organs and systems, our body would be unable to function normally. Dear students, now let's take an example to understand it in detail. For making our house, we start with a brick. When many of the bricks are joined together, they form a wall. When number of walls are put together, it forms a house. Similarly, the smallest part in the human body is cell. When different types of cells are joined together, they form a tissue. And when these tissues join together, they form an organ. And when several organs join together, they form an organ system. And the various organ system forms human body. Dear students, do you know how many cells are there in an adult human body? Yes, there are 100 trillion cells in an adult human body. When you were small or a baby, all body parts were very small. But when you become an adult, our body parts has become bigger in size. Our bones have become bigger. Do you know how many bones are there in adult human body? There are 206 bones in an adult human body. But in baby, there are 300 bones in number. As the baby grows into an adult, some of the bones combine and the number of bones decreases to 206. Human body also have many muscles which allow us to walk, jump, run, eat and play. Do you know, children, how many muscles are there in an adult human body? There are more than 600 muscles in an adult human body. Our human body has many internal organs. Internal organs are the organs which are inside our body. And there are 22 internal organs such as lungs, kidneys, heart, liver, stomach, intestines and many more. Dear students, you might have seen this model in your biology lab. It is a model of bones and it is also called skeleton. Have you ever wondered that if human body does not have bones, what will happen? What will be the shape of a body? Yes, our body will become like a puppet and we will have irregular shape. See students, there are different types of bones. Some of them are short, some are long, some are irregular and some are flat. So all these bones are joined together to form a skeleton. And this organ system is known as skeletal system. Now let's discuss the functions of skeletal system. skeletal system form framework of bones that provide shape and form to our body. Now see here students, many of the children are doing different activities. Some of them they are playing football, some of them they are lifting the weight, some of them are playing basketball, and some of them they are doing yoga. So they all are using their different body parts. So skeletal system allows the movement of the different body parts. As we know that there are 22 internal organs in our body, such as kidneys, liver, heart, brain, stomach, and many more. These all are the delicate organs of human body. So to avoid any kind of injury, skeletal system protects the internal organs, such as brain is protected by the skull, rib cage protects heart and lungs, and vertebral column protects our spinal cord, and it also supports the head. So dear students, I hope you all have understood it and you like the video. Thank you.